Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is in collaboration with Beauty Forever. I have 3 bundles of their deep wave hair texture in 22 inches. So here is the hair and how it comes packaged. This is the hair after I've already made my wig, washed the bundles, and it's been air drying. So here's the construction of my wig. I did glue my wig to a cap, and here I'm going to show you guys the steps that I take when I do make my removable quick weave wigs at home. I do this now because I find that my wigs, well, the hair lasts longer because it's not directly installed on my hair. And I use these mesh wig caps. I have to look up exactly what these are called, but I really like these because I'm able to wash the whole entire wig, and like the glue doesn't get tacky, the hair doesn't come off the cap. I've even worn a wig I made like this to the beach, all in the ocean, and my wig is still intact. So this is my preferred method. I'm just gluing the tracks side to side. Since this is going to be a flip over wig, that's literally all I'm doing all the way till I get to the top, just side to side. And also, you guys know I like to do my quick weaves this way now, because for a long time I felt like quick weaves were snatching my edges out. Literally still recovering, but I just find this way more protective for my hair, and I be wanting to switch my hair all the time, so I be needing to put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off. Anywho, that's all I'm doing, side to side all the way to the top. I used every last bit of the 3 bundles that I got, and yeah.
When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots. I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, hoe. Turn this shit like 3-0, twin.
And this is the final result. Really quick and easy. It took me about an hour and a half to make this wig at home, so I'm just trying it on to make sure that it fits, and I like the way it fits before I go a step further and start sectioning out my leave out. So I'm just unclumping the curls. I did wash this hair and air dry it, but I did also diffuse it a little bit. So this is what it looks like after it's been washed. You guys have to wash your curly hair because what you get is not normally how it looks. So if you want to see like the true curl pattern of your hair, you have to wash it. So that's what I did. Here I'm just sectioning off some of my leave out for my quick weave, removable quick weave. So after I section the hair off, I put the wig back on. I do have this secured with clips, so I have 2 clips on each side, and then I also have a clip in the back. I find this to be the most comfortable way to wear these. It's not a lot of tension on my like temple edge, because for some reason that's where I normally sew the clip on my wig, and I think over time that's also like stressing my edges out. So no. But to blend my hair with the extensions, I'm just gonna go in with my pencil wand curler and a glove. A glove is a must if you don't want to burn yourself. So that's how I'm gonna blend my hair.
Bitch, I be going in. Bitches clearly want my life, and it's so evident. Cook, clean, and fuck 'em right. I'm so innocent. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. And post it up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight fast. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie. Ain't got no car, so hoes be right. But bro say y'all can't even do that. What? Why? How? When? Where? Just let me know how you wanna play it, bitch. You know I'm there. If it was smoke, then I was sad. Bitch, I'm crystal clear. Left my panties at his mansion like a souvenir. When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no sharp boots. I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Broke it. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Broke it. Nigga, not your hoe.
And then this is the progress on the curls. Here is the finished look. I'm just going to style my edges with a little styling foam to preserve your curls so you don't have to put heat on your hair every day. I do go in at night with flexi rods, but since this is a removable quick weave, I can take the weave off. I can take the wig off and then just flexi rod my edges, and I'm good to go. Love how versatile these wigs are. Y'all know I think I change my hair weekly, but yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. Again, since this is a flip over, I can flip it to either side. This is what the curls look like up close. And again, I did use all 3 bundles of this deep wave hair from Beauty Forever. It is 22 inches long and I love it. I love the length. I want to cut it just a tad bit, and I'll probably also throw some layers in it, but sometimes I don't know what side I want to flip it over to, so I kind of just wait. But this is the hair flipped to the opposite side, which I think this is the side I like. But yeah, that concludes this video. I'll be sure to list all of Beauty Forever's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the hair that I'm wearing with all that info and everything you need. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.